Okay. Okay, now look at the question. The question says, the population of a town doubled every 75 years from 1659 to 1959. The population of this town was 240,000 in 1959. In 1959, what was the population of this town in 1659? Okay, so now this is equivalent to the question. They remember that we should always remember this formula. A is equal to P, that is the population that amounted after a certain number of years, is P into 2, then always to the power T divided by D. So they say the population doubles. It doubles after every 75 years. That means that our D is equal to, they say the population doubles after every 75 years. So our D is equal to 75. Then what is our T? Our T now is going to be equal to between 1659 to 1959. So how many years is between 1659 to 1959? How many years is between them? How many years is there?
300.
Huh?
300.
Is it 300 years? If I do 1959 minus 1659, this is 0. This is 0. So 9 minus this is 300. So our T now, our T is equal to 300. Do you understand? Our T is 300. So now, in the question, A is given to us as 240,000. A is given to us as 240,000, and the P is now what we are looking for, because they have given us the amount at the last year. The last year there is 1959. So they want us to find the amount at the beginning year. The beginning year is what? 1659. So this is the same thing as asking you to find this year, to find the population after 300 years. That's with just the question can be structured like the population of a town doubles after every 75 years. If the population of a town doubles after every 75 years. Now they said find the population of the town at the beginning of the first year. If the population of the town at the end of 300 years, at the end of 300 years is 240,000. So all these 1659 and the 1959 just to add flavor, just to add pepper and the salt to the question. So this is exactly what we are meant to. So what we are meant to do here now is A is given to us as, this means that 240000 is equal to P is what we are looking for. P into 2 raised to the power. 2 raised to the power T is 300 divided by 75. 300 divided by 75. So this means that 240000 is equal to P times 2 raised to the power. 300 over 75 is going to give us 4. It's going to give us 4. So now 2 raised to the power 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is going to be equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is going to be equal to 2 times 2 is 8. This is 16. It's going to be equal to 16. Simple. So therefore, we can say that therefore this 16p is equal to 240,000. Therefore, P is equal to 240,000. 240,000 then divided by 16. This is going to be equal to, I can use 8 here now. 8 into 24, 8 into 24 is 3,0,0,0,0. 0. Sorry, 8 into 240,000 is going to give us 30,000. Then divided by is 30,000. 1 0 should go out there. Then 30,000. Then divided by 8 into 16 is 2. So 2 here, this is 15. So this is going to be equal to 15,000. And that's the answer. The population of the town at the beginning at 1659 is going to be 15,000. And that is as simple as that. It's as simple as that. All you need to do, just use your calculator to confirm this. Just use your calculator to confirm 240,000 divided by 16. I think it gave you 240,000 divided by 16. It gives 15,000, right?
Yeah.
So, and that's the final answer. Please take note of this kind of question. Take note of this kind of question. Please study this question and master it. Know when you are calculating A and when you are calculating P. That's when they want to confuse students with this kind of question. They'll tell you to find this P. So you are looking at the number of years between 1659 to 1959. Please. So very, very important. Very, very important.